Are you just getting started in magic and want to amaze your friends? Then you'll love impossible penetration. Here's what happens. You start by having a spectator inspect 2 round plates, a solid cylindrical block, and a clear drinking glass. One of the plates is set upon the transparent glass. Next, the block is placed on top of the plate. Then the second plate is positioned on top, trapping the block securely in place. Through a tiny hole in the upper plate, the block remains clearly visible. You then grip the plates firmly, pressing them together. In an instant, the impossible happens. The block visibly penetrates the lower plate and drops cleanly into the glass below. Every piece, the plates, the block, and the glass can be immediately handed back out for full examination. The online video instructions will teach you all the secrets of impossible penetration. You will learn the secret to make impossible penetration work, how to perform impossible penetration. Also includes a scripted story to help you entertain your audience and friends. Carry it with you everywhere you go. Impossible penetration is self-working, easy to learn, and easy to perform. So you will be able to perform with 100% confidence. Apprentice Magic welcomes you to Impossible Penetration.